today's quote is, if you want something you have never had, then you have got to do something you have never done. And today's topic is agronomy, that is set 2. And those who have not seen set 1, please go through once. And we'll start the video series. First, what is recommended seed rate for wheat sown through dibbling method? 10 to 15 kg, 70 to 22, 100, 400, 25 to 30. Answer is 25 to 30 kg through dibbling method. And these are the other points to remember. Seed rate of wheat is in normal recommendation is 100 to 125 kg per hectare, and increase seed rate by 25% when it is a late sown, and broadcast require higher seed rate 150 kg, and as I told, for dibbling 25 to 30 kg is sufficient. And spacing of wheat is in irrigated wheat spaced 22.5 into 18 to 8 to 18 centimeter between the plants, and rain fed wheat 25 to 30 centimeter into 5 to 6 centimeter. And when it is late sown, closer spacing is required, that is 15 to 16 centimeter. And nitrogen recommendation for wheat is, for irrigated crops 120 to 150 kg, and for rain fed 40 to 60 kg, and 60 kg P2O5 at planting is good. And the general potassium recommendation is 40 to 60 kg per hectare. And critical phases for irrigation are crown root initiation, that is 20 to 25 days after sowing, and second most critical stage is flowering, and third important stage is jointing and milking stage. Next, what is the suitable pH for barley? 7 to 8, 4 to 6, 8.5 to 9, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Answer is 7 to 8. For barley, soil required is drained, fertile, deep loam soil with pH 7 to 8, and sowing is done before end of October, and irrigation is first or second fortnight of November. And seed rate required is for irrigated barley 100 kg per hectare, rain fed 80 to 100 kg per hectare, and spacing required is 22.5 centimeter for irrigated, and 22.5 to 25 for rain fed. And depth of sowing is 5 centimeter if rain fed means 6 to 8 centimeter. And major varieties of barley is huskless preferred is Karan, and Himani, Dolma, Kailash, Ratna, Ranjit, Clipper. Third, in chickpea, to stop apical growth, nipping is done at dash number of days of sowing: 14 to 18, 22 to 25, 40 to 45, 20 to 25, 30 to 40. Answer is 30 to 40 days after sowing. And seed rate is 75 to 100 kg per hectare, and depth of sowing is 8 to 10 centimeter, and spacing is required is 30 centimeter between the rows for Desi types, and 40 to 45 centimeter for Kabuli types. And nipping is plucking the apical buds of the crop at about 30 to 40 days after sowing is done to stop the apical growth, and it promotes the lateral branching. And grain yield is Desi types is 1.5 to 2 tons per hectare, and Kabuli type is 2.5 to 3.5 tons per hectare. And these are the fertilizers required for the crop chickpea. Please go through once. Next, how much kg of pea should be treated with 1 packet of rhizobium culture during seed treatment? 5, 2.5, 10, 15, 7. Answer is 10 kg. And seed rate is 50 to 60 kg for small seeded, and 80 to 90 kg for bold seeded. Store the seeds at 8 to 10% moisture, and as I told, 10 kg of pea should be treated with 1 packet of rhizobium culture, and 22 to 25 degrees Celsius ideal temperature for germination for pea. And this is the fertilizer required in rain fed situation and irrigated. Next, what is the oil content percent in sunflower? 46 to 48, 36 to 37, 26, 25 to 30, 60 percentage. Answer is 36 to 37 percentage. And first commercial production for oil is 1830, that is sunflower. And photoperiod insensitive, high seed multiplication ratio is in sunflower, that is more than 1:80. And inflorescence is called capitulum, born terminally, and seed is called achene. And oil content is, as I told, 36 to 37 percentage. And seed weight is for 1000 seed weight 43 to 45 gram, and temperature range required is 8 to 34 degrees Celsius, and optimum is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. And in high temperature, in case of high temperature, that is more than 38 degrees Celsius, in post synthesis inhibit the quantity of oil, and pH range required is 6.5 to 8, and harvest maturity is at 10 to 12% seed moisture. Next, Atsali sugarcane is planted during Feb to March, November to December, September to October, July to August, April to May. Answer is July to August. Spring, that is February to March, it is called Suru in Maharashtra, Eksali in Gujarat and AP. And autumn, that is September to October, 13 to 15 months, supplies sugar for early crushing. And Atsali, that is July to August, 16 to 18 months is required. And these are the methods of planting: flat planting, furrow planting, trench method, and modified trench system. And you have to know about this bagasse. It is the fibrous residue of the cane stalk left after crushing and extraction of the juice. And press mud, the precipitated impurities contained in the cane juice. In STP technique, how many week-old seedlings are used for transplanting in sugarcane? 8, 6, 11, 14, 7 weeks. Answer is 6-week-old seedlings. These are the points. STP is the transplanting technique, and about 6 weeks old seedlings are transplanted. And detrashing. On an average, a stalk may produce 30 to 35 leaves. All are not useful for effective photosynthesis, so detrashing is done. And ratun means after the harvest of plant crops, stubble sprouts and gives rise to succeeding crop called as ratun crop. And assessing maturity is when the concentration exceeds 16% in the juice and 85% purity, the cane is to be said to be mature. And for reading this, use of hand refractometer for bricks reading, and assess the maturity by HR meter survey. 80 to 25% indicates the optimum maturity. What is the planting distance in potato if diameter of tuber is 3.5 to 5 centimeter? 16 to 25, 16 to 15, 16 to 40, 15 to 20, 45 into 40 centimeter. Answer is 16 to 25 centimeter. This is about the potato. Potato are well suited to acidic soils, that is 5 to 6.5, as acidic conditions tend to limit scab diseases. The first irrigation is essentially done within 30 to 35 days after planting, and 17 to 20 degrees Celsius is optimum for tuberization in potato. And potatoes can be stored in the cold storage at the temperature of 4 to 7 degrees Celsius. And most common herbicide used for weed control in potato is alachlor. And planting distance and diameter of tuber from lying axis is given. Please go through these tables. Next, in groundnut cultivation, gypsum is applied for all non-calcareous soils at 40 to 45 days after sowing. The recommended quantity per hectare is 300 kg per hectare, 250, 600, 400, 350 kg per hectare. Answer is 400 kg per hectare gypsum is applied. This is about groundnut. A temperature range of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is required, and total water requirement is 400 to 600 mm. Soil pH required is 6 to 6.5, and seed rate for rain fed is 140 kg, and for irrigated 125 kg. and spacing is 30 to 10 centimeter, and wherever ring mosaic is prevalent, 15 into 15 is taken. And nutrient management in rainfed case 10 is to 10 is to 45 kg, and in irrigated 17 is to 34 is to 54, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And sulfur sludge required is 60 kg per hectare. And as I told, gypsum for groundnut 400 kg for all non-calcareous soils at 40 to 45 days after sowing. Next, during which season cotton is planted in raise fallow cotton method? Jan 15 to Feb 15, March 15 to April 15, June 15 to July 15, October 15 to November 15, April 15 to May 15. Answer is Jan 15 to Feb 15. And this is the growth stages. Germination phase is 4 to 7 days. Squaring it may be from 35 to 70 days after sowing. Flowering 20 to 35. However, peak flowering is 70 to 100 days after sowing. And dibble the seeds at 3 centimeter depth. And nipping is done if monopodia continues more than 15 nodes. And rice fallow cotton is cotton cultivated in rice fields immediately after the harvest of rice, when the field is in waxy condition, when the season is optimum. And that season is Jan 15 to Feb 15. Fertilizer required is 60 to 30 to 30. Next, in India, jute is cultivated as fiber crop. The process of extracting fiber in jute is called as stripping, pollarding, detrashing, pulping, retting. Answer is retting. And this is about the jute. Jute require hot and humid climate, and temperature required is 27 to 40 degrees Celsius, humidity 65 to 90%. Retting is the process of extraction of the fiber. Bundles are then submerged in water for 7 to 10 days. And stripping means the laborer holds the stem in one bunch and taps the rod end lightly with a mallet. This frees the fiber at the foot of the stalk. And this is about jute. How much kg required for line sowing, broadcasting, spacing, and number of plants are given. Please go through this table once. Next, area required for transplanting 20,000 seedlings in tobacco is 100 meter square, 20, 50, 125, 10 meter square. Answer is 50 meter square. Nursery required is 2.5 meter square for 1 gram seed, and 1 gram seed contains 10,000 seeds. Seeds to seedling is very wide, that is 10 is to 1 ratio. And to transplant, as I told, 20,000 seedlings required is 50 meter square is more than sufficient. And seedling age is required is 7 weeks old. And spacing of chewing tobacco is 75 into 75. That means plant population is 17,777 per hectare. And cigar tobacco 75 into 50. Plant population is 26,666. And Chirot tobacco required is 60 into 45. That is plant population is 36,730. And topping is also done in tobacco. Chewing tobacco, it's leaving 10 layers at the top. Topping is done. And desuckering, removal of the side shoots manually at weekly interval is called desuckering. Next, southwest monsoon period in India is June to September, Jan to Feb, May to November, March to May, October to December. Answer is June to September. This is the seasons of rainfall can be classified. And winter, cold dry period, okay, it's okay. Kharif, southwest monsoon, June to September, and Rabi, northeast monsoon, October to December is important. And annual average rainfall in India is 1190 mm. Next, medium irrigation project covers cultural command area of dash hectares: 5,000 to 10,000, 4,000 to 5,000, more than 10,000, less than 2,000, 2,000 to 10,000. Answer is 2,000 to 10,000 hectares. Major. The classification of irrigation projects are major means it requires more than 50 million rupees and it covers cultural command area of more than 10,000 hectares. Medium is 2.5 million to 50 million rupees and command area is 2000 to 10,000 hectares, and minor means less than 2.5 million rupees and command area is 2000 hectares. Minor irrigation means it consists irrigation tanks, canals, diversion works of the welfare of the small farmers, and distribution of irrigated area in thousands of hectares. In India, canal 12,776, tanks 4,123, and wells 12,034, and other 2,601. Next, water held tightly to the surface of soil particles by adsorption forces is called as hygroscopic water, capillary water, gravitational water, available water, none of the above. Answer is hygroscopic water, and the picture is given, please see once. Hygroscopic water means, as I told, water held tightly to the surface of soil particles by adsorption force, and capillary water is water held by force of surface tension and continuous films around the soil particles and in the capillary spaces, and gravitational water is water that moves freely in the response to gravity and drains out of the soil, and saturation capacity is maximum water holding capacity. Feed capacity generally ranges from 1/10 to 1/3 atmospheres, and PWT, that is permanent wilting percentage, 15 atmospheres. And the sunflower plant is commonly used as the indicator plant in for permanent wilting percentage, and available water is soil moisture between field capacity and permanent wilting point, that is readily available moisture. Next, critical stage of ragi is maturity, seed formation, germination, grain filling stage, primordial initiation and flowering. Answer is primordial initiation and flowering. And this is the sensitive stage of different crops, cereals and millets. And for rice, panicle initiation, and sorghum flowering and grain formation, and maize just prior to tasseling and grain filling, and kumbu heading and flowering, ragi, as I told, primordial initiation and flowering, wheat CRI, tillering and booting, and in case of oil seeds, for groundnut, flower peck initiation and penetration and pod development, and in sesame, blooming to maturity, and sunflower 2 weeks before and after flowering, and in case of soybean, blooming and seed formation. Next, nursery stage root enlargement is a sensitive stage of which crop? Tobacco, coconut, coffee, alfalfa, castor. Answer is coconut. These are the data points to remember. And for safflower, from rosette to flowering, castor full growing period, cash crops like cotton, flowering and ball formation, sugarcane maximum vegetative stage, tobacco immediately after transplanting, and vegetables, onion bulb formation to maturity, tomato flowering and fruit setting, and chilies flowering, cabbage head formation to maturity, and in case of legumes, alfalfa immediately after cutting for hay crop and flowering for seed crop, and beans flowering and setting, pod setting, and peas flowering and pod formation, and for coconut, nursery stage root enlargement, potato tuber initiation and maturity, banana throughout the growth, citrus flowering, fruit setting and enlargement, mango flowering, coffee flowering and fruit development. Next, which of the following crop requires less water? Sorghum, maize, sugarcane, groundnut, cotton. Answer is sorghum. This is the water requirement and number of irrigation requirement for various crops. Please go through this table once. The crops which are grown for their fresh leaves or fruits are more sensitive to water shortage than the crop which is low sensitive in nature. Citrus, tomato, red gram beans alfalfa? Answer is red gram crop is low sensitive in nature. This is the sensitivity low to medium, medium to high, and high, and crops are given. Please go through this table. If banana is cultivated in loamy soil at medium temperature regions, what will be the irrigation intervals during peak period? 7 days, 3 days, 9 days, 5 days, 2 days. Answer is 5 days. It's the points to remember: low temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, and medium temperature of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, and high temperature of more than 25 degrees Celsius. And this table is estimated irrigation schedule for major field crops in peak periods. Please go through. And this is from Agriculture Adda. If you find it useful, please subscribe, click the bell icon, like and share with your friend. And thanks for watching, and thanks for your valuable feedback in our previous video. And thank you from Agriculture Adda.